Welcome to another video in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to surprise our friend Arif. Today is his birthday. He thought that we forget his birthday because we didn't wish him from the morning. We were all busy in the work and he is thinking that we forgot to wish him. But today now we are going to surprise him. We bought a cake just now. It's 10:30 in the night, but we are so lucky that we found the cake. We are going to his house now. We'll call him out and we'll surprise him, and I'll capture every moment and I will show you how he felt our surprise. Okay, see you in 1 second. The cake is ready, the cake setup is ready here, and we are waiting for Arif to come from his house. Jansada went to bring him. He will be here in 2 minutes and we'll start the birthday party only with cake. We didn't have any kind of stuff which nobody use here. Okay, in 2 minutes the birthday party starts. Jansada, lover boy. बस बा टिका बा केक काटेंगे बा
गड़ा पका दे यार टिका बे सुबह से मारला तो बस टिका है
A very big mistake happened just now. We bought the cake, we bought the candle, but we didn't bring matchbox. Now who is going to bring matchbox? I am not going.
Cancel, birthday cancel.
Our most hard-working natured boy in our gang, Mr. Jansada, is going to bring the matchbox for us. Come on, clap for him. This idiot is taking the cake with him because he has a doubt that we will eat the cake. Fool! Take that. This is how our faces are looking after the birthday party. Puzzle, Hussein, Jansada, birthday boy, Sadiq, Arif. Okay, so this is my whole gang looking after the birthday party. This is what he gets every time when he jokes. Panchaloddamma, pagilipoyindi.